Okay, good day everyone. Now we will be talking our cranial nerve disorder. Okay, we have two cranial disorder dito. It's your trigeminal neuralgia and your Bell's palsy. So first na pag-uusapan natin is your trigeminal neuralgia. Okay, your trigeminal neuralgia is also known as your tic douloureux. Okay, pag sinabi natin tic douloureux, that's your painful twitch. Okay, painful twitch. So now, trigeminal neuralgia. So ano ang problem natin? It's your trigeminal na cranial nerve. So it's your fifth cranial nerve, okay? That is characterized by paroxysm of sudden pain, okay? So nasaan yan? Nasa mukha nyo, di ba? Nasa mukha yan, okay? So ano yung mga risk factor natin for your trigeminal neuralgia? Okay, it's age 50 to 60. Okay, most common in women. Okay, your trigeminal neuralgia may coexist with your multiple sclerosis or your demyelinization of your fifth cranial nerve. Okay, or your trigeminal. Okay, ano yung pwedeng maging trigger ng trigeminal neuralgia nyo? Okay, washing of face, shaving, brushing of teeth, eating and drinking. Okay? So yan yung mga pwedeng mag-trigger ng trigeminal neuralgia na pwedeng mag-cause ng painful twitch. Okay? Ano yung mga clinical manifestation natin? Okay? Pain on the affected side. It's either yung sa left face mo or yung sa my right face. Okay? So now, ano ang pwedeng maging management natin for your trigeminal neuralgia? Okay? Meron tayong pharmacologic management and meron tayong surgical management. First na pag-uusapan natin for the management is your pharmacologic management. Okay? Una dyan is your anticonvulsant. Okay? Pwede tayong gumamit dyan ng anticonvulsant such as your carbamazepine. Okay? Your carbamazepine. Okay? Your carbamazepine, you should take it with meals. Okay? Your carbamazepine is a anticonvulsant na pwedeng gamitin for neuroleptic pain. Okay? Pwedeng gamitin for neuroleptic pain. Okay? So, you should take it with meals. And then, pag nagtitake ng anticonvulsant na carbamazepine, kailangan ma-check yung serum level niya to avoid toxicity. Okay? And then, the side effect of your anticonvulsant is nausea, dizziness, drowsiness, and your aplastic anemia. Okay? So, aplastic anemia. So, ibig sabihin, mababa ang WBC, mababa ang platelet, at mababa ang RBC. So, it can cause anemia, leukopenia, and your thrombocytopenia. Okay? So, prone for anemia yung pasyente nyo. And then, prone for infection and prone for bleeding. Okay? Next is your gabapentin. Okay? Gabapentin and your baclofen. Okay? Your gabapentin and baclofen, magkaiba yung gamot na yan. Okay? Pinagsama ko lang dyan. Pero they can control the pain. And then, last is your phenytoin. Okay? For adjunctive therapy. Okay? For adjunctive therapy. Next is your surgical management. Okay? The purpose of your surgical management is to decompress. Okay? Yung, tawag dito, yung cranial nerve. Okay? Decompression, it serves to save nerve function and damage or destroy the nerve. Okay? So, meron tayong mga types ng surgical management natin dyan. Unang-una is your microvascular decompression of your trigeminal nerve. Okay? Ang purpose lang nito is to relieve pain. Okay? Is to relieve pressure that can cause pain saan sa may muka. Okay? Next is your radiofrequency thermal coagulation. Okay? It is a non-invasive procedure wherein the method is delivering focus radiation. Okay? So, nagbibigay ka ng radiation dyan sa patient. Okay? It is non-invasive. So, hindi ka maghihiwa. Kasi gagamit ka lang dyan ng laser. Okay? Or beam. Okay, next is your percutaneous balloon microcompression. It provides the compression of your trigeminal nerve. Okay, so it provides the compression of your trigeminal nerve. Now, ano yung mga nursing management na pwede nating gawin? Okay, number one dyan is to prevent pain. Okay, number one responsibility mo as a nurse, okay, is to prevent pain. Okay, so how will you prevent pain sa patient na merong cranial nerve disorder, lalong-lalo na sa trigeminal neuralgia, okay? You need to avoid too hot or too cold na food, okay? Avoid too hot or too cold na food, okay? Avoid washing face with what? Cold and hot, okay? Kasi it will trigger your pain, okay? Combing of hair, okay? And then brushing of the teeth, okay? So kapag bawal siya brush ng teeth, you can give mouthwash, okay? And then if gagamit ka ng tawag dito, if maghugas ka ng muka, you should use room temperature or warm, okay? Warm water, okay? And then kapag kakain ka, you need to chew. Saan daw? Sa unaffected side, okay? Sa unaffected side. So ibig sabihin nun, kunwari ang problem mo is nasa right, so mag-chew ka sa left, 'di ba? Kung sa left naman ang problema mo, edi sa right ka mag-chew. Okay? So yun yung mga pwede mong management, okay? The prevention of pain. And next is post-op care. So, pag yung pasyente mo nag-undergo ng surgical management, okay, you need to evaluate facial motor and sensory deficit. Okay? You need to evaluate facial and motor. You need to evaluate facial motor and sensory deficit. You need to assess for irritation or redness of the eyes and use artificial tears. Okay? So that's your trigeminal neuralgia.